Hello everyone, welcome to my new video regarding JRC ECDIS model 9201. In this video I am going to tell you how to update your charts and install permits. So first step you have to do is get the update file or permits file in pen drive and put in this USB slot given downside here. Put the pen drive in this slot. After putting this pen drive in the slot like this, then we go to this section, menu section. Click on menu, scroll down and go to code input. It is a password protected so that only authorized officers can perform this test. So it has a 4-digit password, depends what your manufacturer or technician has given to you. That password I am not going to show to you. So I had put 4-digit passwords like this in this section, and then I press enter. After pressing enter, wait for few seconds. The chart maintenance window will come up. It usually takes 5-6 seconds to see like this. This chart maintenance window comes up. Then go to this section, chart maintenance. Click on chart maintenance and then again wait for maximum 5-6 seconds. Here comes the chart maintenance. Then you go to this section, import update license file. Suppose if you have ordered new permits, you can go through this section. If not, no new permits have been ordered, you just have to perform the weekly update. Go to import update charts. So usually make a practice to import update every time, because if some license have been expired, it will delete automatically. So I will click on this section. Then I'll go to ENC. Then I'll select the pen drive. Here USB file is there. Then click on UNC. Here the permit file is there. This is my backup system, so I click on backup and OK. Then I'll click on automatically. So importing permit file. So permit files have been imported. Then go to home section. Click on home. Then import update charts, weekly updates to be installed. Click on import update charts. Same, go to ENC. Then again browse ENC updates. OK, automatically. So it will check. So now it will ask import update all charts. Then click on all and wait for updating procedure to come. So all charts updates have been done. Complete import update 38 charts, enable 0 charts. Then again click on import. Then go and check the status. So you have 477 licenses, no license expired. Week 47 is in progress. All charts are updated till week 47. So next is go to again this import update charts, because we have to install this AIO layer also. Just select this AVCS AIO, OK, and then click on automatically again. Then update 7 AIO charts. This GB 84x01 7 updates are there. Wait for updates to complete. OK, updates completed. Finish story. Your weekly update has been done. Then click on close. That window will come again, and select the route and planning window, and then check your route for the updates. Switch on your AIO and then check the routes. If any rack or something came or a new update, you can put notes and navigate safely. So thanks a lot for watching this video. In my next videos I will be coming with more information regarding JRC ECDIS 9201 model. Thanks a lot. Bye bye. Do subscribe. Take care.